Please like, share and subscribe to this channel FM Education Academy.
If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. This question is taken from SSC SERT textbook question number 6, and also it is in CBSE in NCERT textbook question 9. In this question, if you observe from the chapter arithmetic progressions, here the question is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, so clearly in first condition it is telling me that the sum of 7 terms is 49. But in the second question it is telling me that sum of 17 terms is 289. Then finally it is asking me to find the sum of the first n terms, and means it can be any value. Right. So according to the question, the condition 1 is sum of first 7 terms. Sum of first 7 terms means S7 is means equal to how much? 49. And then it is telling me, and that of 17 terms is 289. That is sum of 17 terms is 289. How to solve this? Only two things are given to me in the question. Now it is asking me to find out sum of first n terms. I know the formula of Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For that we need a, we need a d, we need n. In the question we are not having the value of first term a, common difference d, or number of terms n, and AP series is also not given to me. Then how can I find out the value of sum of n terms, that is Sn? We can very easily find out the value of Sn because two conditions are given to me. I can expand S7, I can expand S17 and find out the value of Sn. Let us see how. S7 formula, since you have Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For S7, n is equals to 7. So S7 is equals to, in general, S7 is equals to n by 2. What is n here? 7 by 2 into 2a. What is a here? A I'll write as it is. Plus what is n? We are taking for 7, so n I'll take as 7 minus 1 into d. D I'll take as d only. So S7 value is given as 49. So instead of S7, I'll substitute the value of 49 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. Now by 2, if it goes outside, becomes into 2. So 49 into 2 is equals to first term into first term into second term. 7 into 2 is 14a plus 7 6 are 42, and also I have d. Now what is 49 2s are? 9 2s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 98 is equals to 14a plus 42d. Observe carefully. This 98 is also divisible by 2, 14 is also divisible by 2, and 42 is also divisible by 2. There is all of them go in 2 tables, so I can divide this whole equation by 2. So 98 by 2 will give me 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8, 2 9s are 18, 49, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 21d. Now again I can divide with 7 because 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So again I will divide with 7. 49 by 7 is 7, 7 1s are 7, so I'm getting a, 7 3s are 21, so I'm getting d. So I got one equation as a plus 3d is equals to 7, or I can write 7 is equals to a plus 3d. That equation I will name as first, number 1. Now from the second condition, I'm having S17 is equals to 289. If I expand S17, I can write it as 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Here I have a and d are as it is. Instead of n, I'm writing 17 here, right? So S17 value is given to me as 289. So instead of S17, I'll substitute the value of S17, that is 289. So 289 is equals to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. Now divided by 2, if it goes outside, becomes multiplication. 289 into 2 is equals to, again, 17 into 2a, 17 into 16d, sorry. 17 2s are 34 into a plus 17 16s are 6 7s are 42, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1, 2 7 2, 272 I'm getting. So 17 into 16d will give me 272d. Now what is 289 2s are? 9 2s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 578 is equals to 34a plus 272d. Again all three will go in 2 table. How? 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 7, 2 8s are 16, 7 minus 6 is 1 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 17s are 34, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 2, 2 6 are 12, 136D. I know 17 8s are 136, so all 3 will go in 17 table. As here I have 17, I want to make the coefficient of A as 1. So 17 17s are 289. How do I know 17 17s are 289? Remember the perfect squares list. I know 17 squares, 17 value is 289. So I know that 289 is 17 into 17. So if I divide this 289 with 17, 17 1 is 17, 17 17s are 289. So I'm left with 17. Similarly here, 17 1s are 17. Here 17 8s are 136. So AD. Now I got the equation as 17 is equals to A plus AD. This I'll name as second equation. Observe second equation and first equation. Here I have A, here I have A. If I subtract second equation with first equation, I can cancel A. So second equation minus first equation. Second equation I'll write first. 17 is equals to A plus AD. Then first equation 7 is equals to A plus 3D. Subtract. How to subtract? Change the sign. 17 minus 7 is 10. This is plus. This will become minus. Both will get cancelled. A minus A. This is plus. This will become minus. 8 minus 3. 7 6 5 5D. So D is equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. I got the value of Dorman difference D as 2. Substitute this value of D in a simple equation, that is equation 1. To get the value of D, substitute D is equals to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 7 is equals to A plus 3D. So instead of D, I'll substitute 2. 7 is equals to A plus 3 twos are 6. A is equals to 7 as it is plus 6. If it goes outside, minus 6. A is equals to 1. So I got the value of D as 2 and I got the value of A as 1. Now these both I can substitute in the value formula of Sn. Sn I have to find out Sn, right? Sum of first n terms. Sn I have to find out. So Sn is equals to n I am keeping as it is because it is telling me to find out sum of first n terms. So n should be n only. Okay. Now n by 2 into 2a. Instead of a, I'll substitute 1 plus n. I'll substitute as it is because it requires me Sn only in the sum. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? 2. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is getting cancelled. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2n. And here also 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So Sn is equals to n into n is n square. So remember, if it asks you in multiple choice questions, what is the value of Sn we got? The value of sum of first n terms, Sn is always n square. N can be any value. So for example, here it have asked me to find out the value of S7. For example, I am telling, I can easily find out what is Sn, n square. That is here, whatever you have, that you substitute here. So S7 means 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. See, my answer is correct. That is what I am telling. The formula of Sn is sum of first n terms is n square if it, in case it asks in short answer questions. But if in case it asks in long answer questions, you have to follow this procedure. Hope you have understood this sum. If you did, please like the video and also share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you very much.